Oh boy, it's time. All right, guys, we're at one of these canal boat ramps, and today's the day to test this thing out. I wanted to go more where there was nice blue water, but it's way too windy today, and don't feel like being in choppy intercoastal waters with a new transom. Kind of want to test it in some flatness. So I'm gonna drop her in and hey, gonna drop it in and get it going. They're not very happy. All right. Gonna let it run for a little bit. Make sure we're good. And then go for a ride. Hope I don't hit any rocks when I go to beach this boat. That'll be my luck. Guys, it's way too shallow in this canal. Awesome. Something wrong. Oh, I knew it couldn't be that easy. Well, I wasn't very lucky. Let my outboard sit for about 18 months. I thought I was gonna just put her in the water and be good to go, but it was bogging out. So I'm gonna go home and check a few things on it. Almost there. Almost there. It floated good though. It did float. Nothing snapped in half. Felt solid. Everything worked. But as soon as I put a load on it, it was just bogging out. It was trying to go, but I was just doing a wheelie. That's how it is. All right. We're back home. gonna check fuel pressure. I just drained the fuel filter and I drained the VST, and it looks like I got a bunch of little debris that came out of the VST, and I also drained the fuel filter into here. I probably should have checked this before, but I was just way too excited. So I'm gonna check fuel pressure, and then I probably have to change at minimum the VST filter and this filter and then this high pressure filter. Oh. Now if your little pisser is clogged, George Jetson's secret right here. Oh yeah. Alright, I got it hooked up. I got it where it's coming right out of the VST. Huh? All right, well, we just got a delivery for the hatch for that Parker. So this is the smallest one that I could find. Let's go see if it'll fit. Oh man, I really hope so. It's beautiful, guys. It's gonna just fit. Alright, I don't know if I feel like getting itchy from fiberglass right now, but that'll be in the morning project if I don't get to it later. I'm gonna go plug my computer in my boat. This is the greatest thing for any outboard diagnostics. They literally have it for every single outboard. Good stuff. Hope I figure something out. I'm gonna check the real high fuel pressure in these. These motors have a VST pump, they have low pressure diaphragm pumps, and then they have this big belt driven pump, and there's a sensor on there, so I should be able to see what the pressure is at idle. And I'm gonna check a few other things on it because I've never plugged into it since owning this motor, which probably should have before I bought it. What do I know? Dang, 943 hours. All right, let's see. Faults. Nothing here. Let's go to monitor. I know it's probably pretty hard to read the computer through the GoPro, but when I'm in neutral, these motors have shift position switches and it keeps off cylinders, I think 2 and 4 or something like that. It has 2 cylinders off. And when I go into gear, sometimes they're off, sometimes they're on, and it's intermittent. So I'm gonna do some research and see maybe I could just bypass it, because I don't care. It's my boat. That would be a beautiful thing. But yeah, hopefully that's just it. I should probably still do fuel filters, and hopefully the next sea trial I'm gonna get a nice speed test out of her, or it'll blow up. She has a lot of idle time. It's crazy.